Today we're going to see how fast and easy it is to build mobile applications in the Salesforce App Cloud. A customer recently asked me about creating an app for document approvals. I said, sure, here's how you do it. We can configure an app that allows authors to submit documents and allows approvers to review and approve or reject them on a mobile device when they are out of the office. Here are the steps. First, we'll log into Salesforce and create the application by going to the Setup menu and using the App Setup Wizard. After creating the application, we'll add fields that need to be stored in the database. Things like date and time, type of document, and who is the intended audience. We can configure rules that enforce data quality by preventing users from entering invalid values. Now that the schema is ready, let's create an approval process. For now, we'll allow the user to specify the approver. We could also specify that the documents go to the author's manager or to other people based on business rules. Now let's modify the page layout by adding some sections to the page and arranging fields so that the flow is intuitive to the user uploading the document for approval. Let's add a few records for testing so we can begin to visualize how data will appear in list views and reports. We'll specify the columns a user should see by default in a list of submitted, in process, or completed document approvals. Now we can create a report based off of the data model that we defined. Let's also add a chart to show what types of approval processes are being used for any existing document approval requests. Finally, we'll upload an inspection form that needs to be approved. We'll submit the record for approval and select a user who will need to review and approve the document. This app took 15 minutes to create, without any code. It is available for mobile use straight out of the box. A user with a smartphone or tablet can be anywhere with a connection and will receive an alert when there are new approval requests that they need to review. The approver can drill in and see a preview of the document, confirm that it meets appropriate standards, add comments, bring others into the conversation, and reject or approve the request on the fly without the need to find a laptop or a web browser. Back in the browser, refreshing the page shows that the document has moved to approved status. We can take this app design process further using Salesforce's new Lightning components. If we want to add charts or other features to the page, we can edit the page to drag and drop components, which are reusable widgets that can be used in any app. Components come from 3 places. There are a number of them that are delivered by Salesforce. They can be created by your developers to suit your unique branding or other business requirements, or you can download components from the App Exchange at appexchange.com. And just like that, we now have an app that shows the user the chart that we created earlier, as well as a nice visual representation of where their document is in the publishing process, and even allows them to change the publishing stage on the fly. And that is how you create mobile applications quickly, without any code. Thank you for watching.